Hi everyone, this is Samsung Xpress M2070W. In this video I will show you how to find and change Wi-Fi direct password in this printer. So let's go! So first make sure your printer is powered on, otherwise press and hold the power button for about 1 second, or if it's on just press it once to wake up the screen. After this you need to press on the menu button and use these arrows left and right to find the network menu. Number 4, press OK. Now find Wi-Fi and press OK, and finally find Wi-Fi direct. So OK. First make sure that Wi-Fi direct is on, so when on/off is selected, press OK, and if you see this asterisk next to on, it means the feature is enabled. Otherwise, select on and press OK. It's saved. Now you can use the arrows to browse this menu. This is your device name. Press OK to see the name. Press back to exit to the previous menu. And very important information is IP address. You may need it to enter the printer settings, so write it down. Go back. This you don't need. Network key. Here is your password, so you can write down this password. And also you can print out the full information about printer's network settings. To do this, go back to the network menu. Number 4 should be on the screen, and find network configuration. Now press OK and answer yes to this question. Print yes. OK. Now it's printing. And at the bottom of this page you can find your Wi-Fi direct information. You can see your device name, your IP address, your current SSID, or in other words network name, and network key, which means password. If you want to change this password, there are 2 ways how you can do it. The first way is go back to Wi-Fi direct menu on your printer, then find network key, press OK, and now press the left arrow to delete the old password. And now you need to use left and right arrows to select letters, digits and symbols. After each symbol you need to press OK, and then select the next symbol in the same way, and once you're done, press OK once again. The password should contain at least 8 symbols, and this is not very convenient way to change password, so let's not save our password. Let's just press back and I will show you a more convenient way. You can do this from any device that has a web browser. You can use smartphone or computer. I will show you on smartphone this time. So first you need to connect the device to the printer's network. Let's open the Wi-Fi settings. Next, find your printer. If you don't see your printer in this list, try to refresh Wi-Fi, disable it and enable back again. And next, find your printer, tap on that. Enter the network password, tap on join, and once connected, open any web browser, let's say Safari, and now in the search bar type in the printer's direct IP address that you can find on the same paper where you can find your password. Now tap on go, and it takes you to the printer's settings menu. Wait for loading. OK, we got there. And what you need to do now is log in as administrator. To do this, let's zoom in a little bit. Now scroll up and scroll left. Find login option, tap on that. Now find the ID and password fields. Tap on that. So your default ID for this printer is admin, like this, and default password is SEC and 5 times 0. Next, hit done, hit login. This window you can ignore. This is because my password is saved to my iPhone. Now, as you can see, you have more tabs at the top, and what you need is select settings. But first, in this window you need to answer no, because we don't want to change admin password so far. We want to change our Wi-Fi direct password. So what you need is find the settings tab, tap on that, tap on network settings. Now scroll right and find Wi-Fi Direct on the left panel. So tap on Wi-Fi Direct. Now let's zoom out a little bit. We need to wait for information to appear on this screen. So here's your IP address, as you can see, and this is your network key. So uncheck this checkbox to show your network key, and you can change your password in much more convenient way, like this. Once you're done, hit on done, and now you know everything about Wi-Fi Direct password in this printer. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.